Alright, guys, I'm sorry, we're not done selecting yet. I forgot basically the most fundamental part of, well, basically any query, a where clause. With this you can specify which entries you want to select. This is basically like an if statement. So you could do like ID equals 3. So basically, if the ID equals 3, this is how you could think of it, then select the ID, title and contents and display it. So let's do this. Oops, I think I just typed something there. Yep, we don't need that F there. Display it. And third post yay, ID equals 3 in the bottom left. Whoa. You can also do this and title equals third post yay, and that basically checks if ID equals 3 and title equals third post yay, then select this. So this will still display. Similarly, you could do or and then say this is the first post, which is the title of the first entry, and we would get oh, sorry about that. We would get this is the first post and the third post, yay. Alright, so that's enough on select queries. We are going to start updating. Now for this I could make a form, but I'm just going to show you the syntax and show you the results in phpMyAdmin. Making a form just becomes a bit bothersome for now, and it's just not important. So update. Then you specify the table, which is posts. And here we have set. Basically, this is the exact same syntax as with data insertion. So field name, title equals, this is a post. However, whoops, don't need all that. This will update every single entry. So you'll want to use the where clause. So in this case, let's just edit the last one, which I believe was 6. So let's copy that. And yep, it was indeed 6. And hit go. And we see 1 row affected. And now you see this is a post. And well, I can make this more difficult than it is, but this is really all there is to it. Let's change contents to, just for the heck of it, new content. Whoa. Kinda like saying whoa for some reason, I don't know why. Yeah, that sounded very stupid, I know. Hit go. And you see that you can update as many fields as you want. I would not recommend you try to update an auto-incrementing field like ID. I'll just show you that if you do not specify this where clause, that it does in fact update everything. Hit go. You see 3 rows affected, and you see now everything as this is a post and new content rule. So when we display that, this is exactly what you see, or actually not, because we still have this here. There we go. So you want to watch out with that. Now there is one more really fundamental thing I need to discuss, and that is deleting. Whoops, didn't need the insert page. Deleting is very simple. Delete from table name, and that's posts. And you really do want to use a where clause here as well. If you don't do this, you will delete everything from the table. And remember that exactly these kinds of queries are why you want to protect yourself against SQL injection. Where ID equals 6, SQL, do you really want to delete it? Yeah, in this case, I do. And we see it's gone. Now I'm also going to show you that, yeah, it does delete everything if you do this. And we cannot browse it because everything is gone. Alright, that is all for now. I think we can start creating a sample application in the next part. So, as usual, see you there.